Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video editing tutorial called a tutorial. So today I actually thought we would do the motion tracking in Final Cut Pro because that's a new feature. Before they added motion tracking, you'd have to like keyframe by hand, and so now we can do it automatically. We don't have to buy any plugins. It's free in Final Cut. So let's actually track this surfer text to this actual surfer on screen. This will be a really easy way to learn the tracker. So the first thing you want to do is select your text and go to transform. And at the top you'll see you have transform or tracker, and select tracker, and then you can select this little arrow and choose the underlying clip that you'd like to analyze, and in our case it's just this surfer footage. It names it Object Tracker 2. We're going to keep it that way. It also gives you the option of creating a new tracker, and then we're only going to select the position. We don't want to track anything other than the position. You can change this afterwards. This is personal preference. And now that I have my settings down, I'm going to toggle the sides and resize and place the little box to show the computer what to analyze and track. And then we press analyze at this upper left-hand corner, and it's going to analyze the entire clip. And then you want to press done, and you can move your text to wherever you want. I just want it right over the surfer, and then let's test it out. And it smoothly is tracked right over that surfer. And you can move that anywhere on the clip and it will be tracked. So I hope that tutorial was helpful. I hope that you learned something from it. If you like these types of videos, subscribe to this channel. I make videos every 2 weeks on YouTube stuff, content creation, editing, all that kind of stuff. And I will see you next time.